Hello, this is Ripun Chapel from WP Theme Hut, and today we'll have a look how we can dynamic our WordPress theme logo. So here you can see that in your previous episode we have dynamic the preloader sections. So from that I hope you can make the dynamic of this tag page header sections here. Now we'll have a look on how we can dynamic our logo area from here. So you can see here the markup area. In here we are having the header part, so now we'll make it in a small part. So for that, making like these actions, we'll divide this header area also, and this mobile menu area we'll have a look on this part when we will dynamic the menu area of our theme. Here the menu area, then we'll have a look on mobile menu area, and after that we'll have a breadcrumb area also. So now today we'll have a look on how we can dynamic the menu area. So for that we'll make a hook here, and so for making that we'll duplicate this area, the previous hook for the preloader. So we'll duplicate this and we'll remove the inside code. Obviously we don't need this, and the action name will be take with header area, header CB. So it will be take with header CB, and the function name that will be also changed, and we need to put it inside the add action. So that add action is made in this in hooks.php. So we will duplicate this area too. Here you can see, and now this will be header area. Okay, so we will copy this take with header CB here again here, and we will remove this CB. So in take this header, we have made a mistake here, CB. So if we do action this take this header, then inside this function the code will be executed. So we will copy this take this header, and in header.php, in here we will give it like this. So do action here, take with header, and the callback function, so anyone can understand what we are doing here. So take this. Now it's time to cut this area, full area, cut here and paste it here. Okay, now we need to start the PHP code here, and at the top here we need to finish the PHP intake. And now here you can see the logo area. So we'll have a look that is it working perfectly or not. Okay, so we have make our action. Now we'll have a look here. Yeah, you can see our logo area is coming here, but we haven't dynamic yet, so we'll do the dynamic part now. So in TechBit header CB, you can see the logo part here. Here's the logo. So in here we will have two kind of dynamic of the logo area. From two area it will be dynamic. First one is from the customize appearance, then the customize area. It is mandatory because WordPress we need to give the support of this field area to here. So in the site identity you will not see any kind of logo area. We need to enable that by some code. So from this area we will make one logo options, and we will make another logo options from our Redux theme option. So instead of radio we'll have a look on how we can make a logo area here. So first we will have a look on this part. So for enabling the logo options here, we need to go on our theme setup file. I hope you guys know about this one, how to do it. So we'll duplicate this one and we'll have a look custom logo, and in add theme support we will give custom dash logo. Okay, now we'll go here and have a refresh to see if logo area coming or not. We'll go on here again the site identity, and you can see the logo area is coming. Now it's time to retrieve this value into our this part. So we will apply some condition here also to check if we are having we have uploaded logo from here, then this logo will come. Then if there is no logo here, then we will have some condition that from our Redux area we will we will upload the logo, and that logo will be shown here. So first we will go for this option, and for that we will start the PHP code here, PHP, and the condition is if has custom logo, has custom dash logo. If has custom logo, then our output will be this one. So we'll finish the PHP and in the condition here. Okay. Now, if we have the custom logo, then we need to generate the URL for our this logo, what we will upload here. So for that, we will have like some logo ID. It's obviously a variable, and inside the variable, for retrieving that logo value, we need to give get theme mode, and inside that the value will be the custom logo, custom dash logo. Okay. Now we can have a look what is inside it. So for checking that, we can have a var dump, and we will have the logo ID. Now it will be blank because we haven't uploaded anything, so we need to upload a logo here. So we will go ahead and select logo. Then in the media library, I have already uploaded a logo, so I have uploaded the logo, and we will click on select. And we are having a cropping options here, so I will prefer to skip cropping now. And after this, we will click on publish. Okay, and then we will go here and give a refresh. So it is having the boolean false because we have made a mistake here. Get theme mode and the custom logo here, it will be not hyphen, it will be underscore. So now if I go on here and give a refresh, then we can see a string and the ID. String 2, the number of string is 2 and the ID is 12. So for retrieving any image from a ID, we need to use a functions called, okay, we will remove this and we will have a look on here. As you can see here, we will have a look on that a little bit of time, after a little bit of time. And in here you can see the href is inside in our home page. So for dynamic this part, this href area, then we need to start our PHP code again, PHP, then echo. It will be coming in our home URL. So there is a function for that, that is called home underscore URL, and quotation and a slash. So if I go here and give a refresh, so the broken image that will have a link, and you can see localhost / wp learning. So that is my home page. That's why the URL is coming like that. And now it's time to go for the URL, the src. So in src here, we'll start our PHP code, PHP, and echo. We will make another variable here, suppose logo URL, and in logo URL we will give wp get attachment image URL. So this one, remember, we need to use this one, wp get attachment image URL, and we need to set the ID here, the logo ID here. And you can see here we are having three three argument here we can pass the ID and the size, then the icon. So we are having the ID and then the size. So the size will be full, FULL, then the size will be full, the logo size. So we are having the logo URL here. Now we will paste the URL and echo the URL here, and obviously a semicolon. Now we'll have a look that is our logo working or not. So boom, you can see our logo here with the dynamic URL here. So we have successfully fetched the logo from our WordPress options, and the ALT text it need to be translated as well. So in here we will start the PHP code and we will echo ESC underscore a TTR, then double underscore and braces, and inside that we will write TechBeach logo and a comma, then another quotation and our tech domain name, that is TechBeach. I hope you know that TechBeach. So for the ALT text we need to, this is not a table, this is a attribute, so that's why you need to use the ESCATTR double underscore, then the TechBeach logo, the text. If the logo is not coming, then this will help, and this ALT text will help us to help our website rank in the Google. So that's why it's too important. So we have successfully dynamic this area from our WordPress theme. Now WordPress theme option. Now it's time to dynamic this area from our Redux option. So if we are having a custom logo, then this area will come. Now else if class exists, and the class name is Redux Framework. That means if the Redux Framework plugin is installed or not. This is mean that. Okay, so now we will copy this area. Obviously we need to finish the PHP, then start the PHP again, and inside that we will paste our markup here. So what we do, we keep this inside our condition. So the home URL that will be like this, cause the logo obviously it need to be returned into our home page. Now it's time to make options for our from Redux. So for making options from Redux, we'll go here, and you can see we have made a preloader options. Now we will make options for our logo. So we will duplicate the area again, and in here in preloader we will write logo, TechBeach logo area, TechBeach logo area. Now the options will be media. So this image options here that will be media. So I know that this TechBeach preloader text that will be not there. This color changing options that will be also not there. So there will be media. So for finding the media, you can go here into the Redux Framework plugin, and you can check some things here like media uploads, then here the media.php, and from here you can copy one of the field and paste it here, and full array you can copy and paste it here. So the ID will be TechBeach logo, TechBeach underscore logo, then the type will be media, then you want to see the URL, then the URL will be true, then the title you can set the title here like upload site logo, and we need to change the text domain. So Control F, sorry, Control S. So we can replace that then with TechBeach. Now the compiler it must have to set true. Then the description field you can change that. Set your website logo. Set your website logo, and the subtitle you can give, or you can whatever you want to do. Now we'll have a look here. That is the modification working or not. So after the preloader, you can see options here logo, and in logo you can see already already a logo has been set because I have made once these options, so that's why the data is being set here. So if I change the TechBeach logos, then you can see that this area will be go the logo option here. No, the logo option will not go, the logo will be go. So for changing the IDs, I have lost the previous value. So now you can see the upload site logo, upload any media using this uploader. So we will click on upload, and we'll select the logo again, and we'll save changes. Now this logo is will not coming from this area, because we need to write some code for this. Now what we will do is we will go here inside identity, and we will remove the logo, because we need to check that from our TechBeach options our logo is working. So as you can see already, if I give a refresh here, you can see the logo, you will see the broken one, because in here we haven't write any kind of code. So if class exists the Redux framework, then we will retrieve the value from here, this global variable TechBeach opt. We'll copy the variable, and inside the image src we will paste it, then the braces, then we need to go here the TechBeach options, here, and the ID we have set, that is TechBeach logos. So we'll copy this and paste it here. Now we can see it will not work, because for we will have a refresh here to check why it is not working. What we are having is an array. So inside the array we need to go more further. So we will give the braces here again, and then we will give the URL. So this part is having an array, and inside the array we are having another value, that is URL. So after that we will get the full retype value of the logo. So if I now give a refresh, you can see the logo is coming now. So it's pretty fun. Now it's time to do another more thing. Suppose you haven't set the logo from the WordPress, you haven't set the logo from the Redux framework, or the plugin is not installed. What you will do? What you will do is you will give another condition here, else if this condition is not working, this two condition is not working, then we'll have another thing, that is this one. So inside the else condition, we'll in the PHP tag, and we'll start the PHP tag here, and in here instead of the image we'll have a h2 title. So we'll give a h2 title here, and now inside the h2 title we will give a. So if someone click on the title, so that will be redirect into the home URL. Now in here inside of a anchor tag we will echo some blog info name. That means the name of the title that will be set for this website, and the title will be this one, this site title. So this name means this site title from here. So it must have to be there. So if someone set a website, the title name must be there in a blank installation of WordPress. So if I now uninstall the plugin to check if it's working or not. Now we are not having any kind of things, so we will go on plugins. Then we click on deactivate, and if we go here and give a refresh, you see the title here that is coming from our part. So this is the three way. So the things happen here like suppose you are not having your logo from the customizer, you are not having your logo from here, you are not having your plugin installed, then what will it do? The logo area will not must be not blank, so it has to be something there. So if plugin is not installed, if your logo is not set, then the site title will be work as logo. So this way you can dynamic your logo area. Hope you have understand this successfully. Thank you very much.